The Sundown Audio E-12 V4 D2 Subwoofer delivers strong, controlled bass that feels far more powerful than its rated 500-watt continuous handling suggests in a properly matched enclosure. Its long excursion design and carefully vented motor structure let it play low frequencies with impressive depth while staying tight enough for fast kick drums and complex bass lines. The high-temperature multi-layer copper voice coil and aluminum former manage heat very well, so the subwoofer holds up during long, loud listening sessions without obvious power compression. Dual 2-ohm voice coils make system design flexible, allowing easy wiring for a single powerful amplifier or as part of a multi-woofer setup. Build quality stands out with robust stitching on the tinsel leads, solid spring-loaded terminals, and a heavy-duty frame that feels ready for daily use in real-world vehicles. With sensible box recommendations and tuning guidance from the manufacturer, it is straightforward to get this subwoofer sounding balanced rather than boomy in a wide range of car audio installs.